What's up, everybody? What's up, happy people? This is BGFAX Legend and welcome back to yet another video. So in this video, I'm here for one thing. I'm here with a message to the trading industry. In particular, if you are a struggling trader, if you have been trading for years, a few months, 10 years, 5 years, 3 years, and you are not seeing the light, this video is for you. It's going to be quick and short, but I want you to follow me as this is going to help you. Now, I have one message for you. This year, 2026, is your set time to make it as a trader. This is the perfect environment with the perfect conditions for you to make it as a trader. I know you have been blowing accounts. I know you have lost a lot of money. You have lost hope. But I'm here to tell you and to encourage you that it's about time. It's about time that you make it. If you are a trader, please make sure that this is your last year of being broke. Make sure you're going to put in the work to change the narrative. I know a lot of people around you, they're talking about you, they're sitting down to discuss how you have failed as a man, how you have failed as a lady, how you have failed as a trader, but you're about to change the narrative. This is your set time to make it as a trader. Do you know this your strategy or this trading that we talk about? If you understand it, if you follow the principles, if you follow the rules, your strategy will buy you a mansion one day. A lot of people have done it. You have seen it on Instagram, you have seen it on YouTube, you have seen it around you. Matter of fact, some of you have people, you have friends, have family members who have made it through trading. This thing called trading will change your life. Trading is worth it and it will give you freedom. I know someone is speaking in their mind. They're saying, but I've been losing. Yes, I know you have been losing. But if you have been losing and there's someone who's winning, then that means you also have the ability to win. Just like someone who's winning, you just need to tweak a few things. Now, there's one thing that I've understood in my trading journey, that only quitters fail. The only way you are going to fail is to quit trading. But as long as you wake up to understand, to study your charts, to backtest, to trade, you are not going to be a statistic. So refuse this year to be a statistic, a losing statistic. Now, I know for some of you are coming from a background where there is a lot of poverty. Some of you are coming from a background where people are struggling. The hardship is so unbearable and you really want to change the narrative. You want to change the story. I don't know if this is you, but for some of us and other people who are struggling and who really want to change the narrative, Plan A is trading for us. Plan B is trading for us. And Plan C is trading for us. And again, Plan D is reinforcing trading. We have to make it. This year, my friends, we have to make it. I know if you are listening to this, if you're watching this video, we have to make it. We have to change things around us. Now, I want you to look at this trading success story. I got it from a page called Traders Confessions. This is a person who was talking about his story and how he changed. He says, I secretly dropped out 2 years ago to go full-time in trading. I don't really recommend people to drop out, but this was just his story, okay? He says, it was worth it as I am 22 years old and I've made $452,000 in the last 2 years of trading prop firms. Now, we are living in a time where we have been given a chance to trade with a lot of capital, trade with prop firms, and the technology has actually advanced to such a point that trading is becoming easy in terms of acquiring information and also the tools and resources, okay? So he says, my graduation is in a couple of months, though I have no idea what I'm going to tell my family. Anyway, the point is not to encourage you to quit, but I'm trying to show you that this is someone who probably decided to stick to trading, lock in, and within 2 years, they were able to make $452,000. Is this going to be your story? No, your story might be different, but the point is you are going to make it. If others are making it, you are going to make it. This is your set time to make it. Now, I want to share something that I've seen in my trading community. So last year within my trading community, I had a student who shared his story with me, and I've been preaching this around the world and also sharing with other students. The point I'm trying to make is I'm trying to show you that if others can do it, you too can. That's the whole point. This guy was able to flip $500 to $200,000 in a few months. He was able to change his life, buy a few properties, buy land, and change the lives of people around him. Now, if he was able to do it, you too can. You can. Yes, I know you have blown a lot of accounts. You probably don't have money to fund your trading account right now, but I'm here to tell you that you can. If you decide to, you can. Now, before we continue, guys, make sure you like this video so that the algorithm can push this video out to many traders. Make sure you also subscribe so that each and every time I upload a video, you are notified. And make sure you share this with your friends. You can also follow me on our Instagram page as shown on the screen. Now, this is the student who flipped $500 to $200,000. So he was actually sharing his derivative broker MT5 platform, the screenshot, right? And I actually have these for some of you who would want to see the conversations and everything. You want to see a detailed report of how this account was flipped, you can actually inbox me. Now, this was his derivative dashboard at that particular time. 200,000, 959,000. As you can see, this was a live account. Now, this is the conversation I was having with him on WhatsApp, and he was sharing all these things, and I was actually shocked that he had done this in such a short period of time. Now, this is also the evidence that I was asking him how much he had deposited, and as you can see on the screen, it's $554, and at that particular time he had withdrawn like $61,000, and this was amazing. He was actually saying, boss, please, I'll get you all the pictures tomorrow by God's grace. All the records are on my phone. He has all the records. So what am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say is that you can do this as well. If you really put in the work, are you going to make 200,000 or flip 500,000? No, maybe for you it's you will make $5,000. You will make $200 a day. You will make $50 a day. But the point is you have to make it. Now, what do you need to succeed this year if you really want to succeed? Number one, find a good working strategy and make sure you lock in. You put everything away, right? Block everything that will try to distract you. Lock in and push yourself. You will definitely make it. Now, if you are a trader and you really want to master trading within 90 days, so like I said, I'm BGFAX legend, and I've helped thousands of traders around the world to master trading within the markets. You can actually check our Instagram page for students, results, and testimonials, and you can also DM or check the links in description to speak to me for trading guidance. And I also give people a free consultation call. Now, you really want to elevate your trading career and become a multiple figure trader. We have one of the best industry leading trading education or trading masterclass. So it's that simple. You can actually book a free consultation call. The links are in the description below, and I'll sit down with you, talk to you, understand your story, your struggles, and see how we can help each other. So you can actually get in touch with us on our email as shown on the screen, Instagram page, website, and also other contact details are in the description below. So ladies and gentlemen, if you really enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and a comment, and also share your struggles in the comments below, and I'll definitely read it, go through it, and answer you. So ladies and gentlemen, this is BGFX Legend. A peace.